Hello everybody, welcome back to, I think this is like day 5 of the daily uploads, something like that. Anyway, before we get started on anything, as usual, more than 70% of the people who are watching the videos are not subscribed. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed and you haven't liked the video, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. It really helps out the channel, helps me out a lot, gives me more motivation to keep making these videos. So make sure you guys go do that right now. Okay, so it is currently 1:24 in the morning. Yes, I don't even know if you can see that. 1:24 in the morning. I don't know why I'm up so late right now. I have a long day ahead of me tomorrow, but I'm still up at close to 2 in the morning, and I don't know why. But nonetheless, I was up late. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna clean my camera because I was at Best Buy today and I bought this new cleaning kit for like 12 bucks and I needed to clean my camera and my lenses. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. And I used it and it was so nice. And I thought, you know, when I first started, I didn't really know how to clean my camera, properly at least. So I thought I'd make a video on how to properly clean your camera. Okay, so like I said, I bought this at Best Buy. It is the Platinum Universal Cleaning Kit. The box kind of looks like this. I assume you can buy this online. Leave a link in the description if you can buy it online. But this is what the box looks like. Like I said, it was only like 12 bucks or something like that. Kind of a steal if you ask me. And it comes with all this kind of good stuff that you need to clean your camera. First off, it comes with your like little air thing that you push out that takes out the dust out of your lenses and your sensors and stuff like that. So it comes with this, and this works super well on getting that unwanted dust out of your camera and different things like that. Next is the actual like spray solution to put on your lens to kind of clean it up a little bit, polish it a little bit, make it as clear and as clean as it can be. Okay, now this one is really cool. It's a double-sided lens cleaning pen. So what this is used for is on this side, it's used for getting out those kind of blemishes in your lens. If there's something stuck on there you just can't get out, then you'll use this side for to really clean it up and polish it even more. And on the other side, you push up this little lever here and it becomes a little brush, so you can really brush off the dust and anything on your camera or on your lens that's still sticking there that's unwanted. Now next up, a little more the accessory side. It comes with cloth lens cleaner, which these, you know, you can never have enough of these, honestly, because especially living in a house with 2 husky dogs, my cloth lens cleaning things constantly get hair on them, so that makes them useless until you actually clean them. Okay, next up is the tissue paper. This is really good for cleaning your lens, and this is what you'll spray onto right here. You'll spray this onto your tissue paper to clean your lens to make it look as best as possible. Okay, now that we know what's inside the Universal Cleaning Kit, let's get right into actually cleaning the camera. Okay, so the first step in wanting to clean your camera is basically we're going to use this tool first. This tool is going to blast away all the dust and the dirt that is in the camera lens. Is hold it a little bit downward and blow the air into the lens to try to get all of that dust off. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your lens off, and then now you're looking at the mirrorless. In my case it's mirrorless, but if you also have a mirror it'll be the same thing. So you're going to hold it upside down like this, and you're going to once again blow into the lens. Now make sure you don't get too close to where it's inside of the sensor. You do not want that. Okay, now with the lens back on there, we're going to first take our double-sided cleaning pen tool and we're going to use duster part. Now we're going to come into here and we're basically going to de-dust all of the stuff that's just kind of sitting on your camera by your shutter button, by your eye sear, and by your manual switch, all that good stuff. Okay, so now this is going to be the part where you're going to want to find your tissues. So you're going to open this up and you're going to fold it up like this, and then you're going to take your liquid here And you're going to spray it on there a little bit. And then you're going to take your camera lens and you're just going to swirl that around on there. Make sure the whole area of the lens gets covered. And then after you're done with that, that's when we're going to take our cloth and we're just going to touch it up a little bit. Okay, and let's just say there's some spots on there that you just quite can't get out. That's where we're going to take your pen tool, your cleaning pen tool, and we're going to use this side with the soft edge here. And your lens here is looking super clean. Now you can do the same thing, for instance, on the inside right here. It normally does not get dirty, especially if you cover it. If you cover it well with your lens caps, this will not get dirty, but redo the same method for the inside right here just to be safe. And then last but certainly not least, get that tissue paper one more time, give it a couple sprays, and we're going to clean off our LED screen here. We're going to bring this up and we're going to just kind of wash off our LED screen right here to make sure it's nice and clear. And there you have it, guys. That is going to be how you properly clean your DSLR or mirrorless DSLR camera. And hey, go check out this Platinum Universal Cleaning Kit. You can buy it at Best Buy, or I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy it offline.